If your Lucidchart diagram is not loading, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your diagram without wasting time. This is one of those problems that can look serious, but in many cases it's caused by browser cache, extensions, graphics settings, or even just a corrupted file view. So stay with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to try first, what to try next, and how to narrow down the issue quickly. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open an Incognito window. This is a really important test because it helps you figure out whether the problem is coming from your browser settings, saved data, or extensions. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and choose New Incognito window. If you're using Edge or Safari, open a private browsing window instead. Once the private window is open, go to lucidchart.com, sign in, and try opening the diagram again. If the diagram loads in Incognito, that usually means your regular browser profile has cached data or an extension that's interfering. If it still doesn't load, don't panic, because we've got more fixes to try. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store old data that can conflict with websites like Lucidchart. To do this on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. In the Clear Browsing Data menu, set the time range to All Time. Then, make sure cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files, are checked. After that, click Clear Data. When it finishes, close your browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Lucidchart. Then try loading your diagram again. This step often fixes blank screens, endless loading spinners, and files that refuse to open properly. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to turn off ad blockers and other extensions. Some browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and security add-ons, can stop Lucidchart from loading its canvas correctly. To check this, click the extension icon in your browser toolbar or type Chrome/extensions into the address bar if you're using Chrome. Then temporarily toggle off your extensions one by one, especially anything related to ads, privacy, or tracking protection. After disabling them, refresh the Lucidchart page and try opening the file again. If it works after turning off a certain extension, you've found the cause. You can leave that extension off for Lucidchart or whitelist the site so it won't interfere again. Now, let's move on to a more advanced fix, toggling WebGL. Lucidchart uses graphics rendering in some browsers, and if WebGL is causing a display problem, your diagram may fail to load or appear blank. Open any diagram if possible, then click the three-line menu in the top left corner. From there, choose View, scroll all the way down, and look for WebGL under the rendering options. Toggle it on or off depending on the current setting, then reload the diagram and see if it behaves better. This is especially useful if the problem started after a browser update or graphics driver change. Sometimes changing this one setting is enough to bring the whole canvas back. If the diagram still won't open, try duplicating the document. Sometimes the original file view can glitch even though the document itself is still okay. To do this, go to your Lucidchart documents page first. Don't open the broken file yet. Instead, hover over the diagram thumbnail, click the three dots, and choose Duplicate. Then open the new copy and see if it loads correctly. If the duplicate opens, that tells you the issue may be with the original file view or some temporary corruption in how it was rendered. You can continue working from the duplicate and keep moving. So to quickly recap, start with Incognito mode, then clear cache and cookies, then disable extensions, then adjust WebGL, and finally duplicate the document if needed. These steps solve most Lucidchart loading problems without requiring any complicated fixes. If one step works, great, you're done. If not, move to the next until you find the one that gets your diagram loading again. If this tutorial helped you fix your Lucidchart issue, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more software troubleshooting guides, quick fixes, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.